Did you know that even the air around you contains water? Today, we'll demonstrate how to build a passive atmospheric water collector that uses the natural cooling temperature of the earth to condense moisture from the air without electricity pumps or compressors. This educational presentation is hosted by Truck Driver Nation LLC. The air around us always contains water vapor. When warm air is cooled below its dew point, it changes into liquid water. This system uses the naturally cooler temperature beneath the ground to cool incoming air and collect that moisture. To build this, you'll need 50 to 100 feet of copper tubing, a food-grade bucket with a lid, PVC pipe for the intake, silicone sealant, and a few basic tools. The total cost typically ranges from $75 to $150. Select a site with good airflow away from underground utilities, septic systems, or chemicals. Level ground is essential for proper drainage. Step 1. Dig a hole approximately 4 to 6 feet deep and 2 to 3 feet wide. This depth ensures we reach the cooler soil temperatures needed for condensation. Next, place your food-grade bucket level in the bottom of the hole. You can place a small amount of gravel underneath for stability. Carefully coil the copper tubing into a loose spiral. It's critical not to kink the copper, as this will restrict airflow and stop the system from working. Lower the coil into the hole, wrapping it around the bucket to maximize contact with the cool soil. This is where the heat transfer happens. Connect the PVC intake pipe and extend it about 3 feet above the ground. Always cover the opening with a fine insect screen to keep debris and bugs out. Route the outlet into the bucket through the lid and seal it with silicone. Ensure there is a slight downward slope so gravity can carry the water into the bucket. To increase performance, you can add a wind-powered turbine or a solar chimney. More airflow means more opportunity for moisture to condense. Backfill the hole with soil, leaving only the intake pipe exposed. The system is now sealed and protected by the earth. With the system complete, warm, humid air enters the intake, travels through the buried copper, cools, and releases its moisture. Gravity pulls the droplets into your collection bucket. Inside the pipe, the magic happens at the dew point. Microscopic vapor bonds together, forming life-sustaining water from thin air. Always treat your collected water before drinking. Boiling, UV treatment, or activated carbon filters are all effective ways to ensure it's safe for consumption. Maintenance is simple. Keep the insect screen clean, check the bucket periodically, and replace any filters to keep the system running efficiently. Output depends on your local climate. While humid areas produce the most, even dry air contains moisture. However, remember this is a supplemental source, not a guaranteed supply. This passive system requires no electricity, no pumps, and no complex machinery. It's a simple scientific solution for emergency preparedness. This presentation was hosted by Truck Driver Nation. If you're interested in remote careers in the U.S. trucking industry as a dispatcher or recruiter, contact us today or join our free Wednesday webinar. Building careers, sharing knowledge, empowering success.